In today's video, I'll show you how to rearrange pages in Microsoft Word. While Word doesn't have a direct Move Page feature, there are simple ways to reorder your content efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your Word document. The easiest method is to use the navigation pane. Go to the View tab and check the box for Navigation pane. A sidebar will appear showing your document's headings if you've used heading styles. If your document has headings, you can easily drag and drop them in the navigation pane. Simply click on a heading in the pane and drag it up or down to rearrange entire sections. The pages under that heading will move along with it. For documents without headings, you'll need to select the text you want to move manually. Click and drag to highlight the content of the page you want to move. Then press Ctrl+X to cut it, place your cursor where you want it to appear, and press Ctrl+V to paste it there. Another useful tip is to use Outline View for complex documents. Go to the View tab and select Outline. This view shows your document's structure with collapsible headings. You can drag headings to rearrange sections quickly, which automatically moves all content under those headings. After rearranging, always scroll through your document to make sure the formatting and page breaks look correct. You can insert page breaks manually if needed by pressing Ctrl+Enter. And that's it. You now know how to rearrange pages in Microsoft Word efficiently using the navigation pane, manual selection, or outline view. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.